You are about to throw away every roll of paper towels in your house. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to show you why a $1 newspaper cleans car windows better than anything on the shelf at the auto store. Not a fancy spray, not a microfiber cloth that costs $15. A newspaper. The same one sitting in your recycling bin right now. If you have ever wiped your windshield and been left staring at streaks in the sunlight, this is for you. If you have ever paid for a detail job and watched them use nothing but glass cleaner and old newspaper, you already suspected something. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will never buy glass wipes again, and the last tip I show you will save you even more time than the first one. Let's talk about the actual problem first, because most people do not even realize how bad it is. You grab a paper towel, you spray some blue cleaner, you wipe the windshield, and it looks clean for about 30 seconds. Then the sun hits it at the wrong angle on your drive home, and suddenly you are looking through a smear of lint and streaks that makes it genuinely hard to see. Paper towels are made to be soft and absorbent, which sounds good, but that softness means they shed tiny fibers all over your glass. Those fibers catch dust. Dust catches more dust. Within a week, your windows look foggy again and you're back at it. People spend real money trying to fix this. A bottle of premium glass cleaner runs $8 to $15 and barely lasts a month if you drive a lot. Microfiber cloths, marketed specifically for glass, go for $10 to $20 each, and detailers will tell you plainly that most of them are actually mediocre for glass because they still leave faint haze. A full professional interior detail that includes glass work can run you $60 to $150, and a decent chunk of that price is just labor spent fighting streaks. Multiply that by every season, every year, and you have spent hundreds of dollars over time chasing something that a $1 item does better. And it is not just money. It is the annoyance of squinting through a smeared windshield during a rainstorm or catching a glare off streaky glass while driving into a sunset. That is not just cosmetic, that is a visibility issue. So why does newspaper actually work? And why do so many professional detailers quietly keep a stack of it in their shop instead of buying special glass towels? It comes down to two simple things. First, newsprint paper is made from very fine, tightly pressed fibers, nothing like the loose, fluffy fibers in a paper towel. That means it does not shed lint onto the glass the way paper towels do, so you're not smearing fresh lint back onto the window every time you wipe. Second, the ink used in newspaper printing acts like an extremely mild abrasive and polishing agent. It is gentle enough not to scratch glass, but it is just enough friction to buff away the thin, oily film that builds up on windows from hand oils, exhaust residue, and general grime. That combination, minimal lint plus a light natural polish, is exactly what glass needs to come out clear instead of streaky. This is not some secret formula. Old school window washers and detailers have used it for decades because it flat out performs, and it costs next to nothing compared to specialty products, where a microfiber glass cloth runs you $10 to $20 and still needs washing and eventually wears out. A single newspaper, which you can literally get for free from a coffee shop or a neighbor's recycling bin, cleans several windows with room to spare. That is a real cost difference, and it is not close. Here is exactly how to do it, so you get that streak-free result on the first try. First, grab a few full sheets of newspaper. Plain black and white pages work best. Glossy colored inserts are not ideal because the coating behaves differently. Second, spray your window with a basic glass cleaner, or even a simple mix of water and a small splash of white vinegar in a spray bottle. You do not need the expensive stuff. Third, wipe the window once with a damp cloth or paper towel just to lift off the heavy dirt and bug residue. This step matters. Do not skip it, because newspaper alone will just move thick grime around instead of cleaning it. Fourth, crumple a fresh sheet of newspaper loosely in your hand and wipe the glass in small circular motions. This is where you will already start to notice it grabbing the residue better than a paper towel does. Fifth, switch to a second dry sheet and do a final pass in straight overlapping lines. This second pass is what removes any last haze and brings out the clarity. Sixth, check the glass at an angle in direct sunlight. This is the real test. Streaks hide under regular lighting but show up instantly in the sun, if you spot any. A quick pass with a fresh corner of newspaper handles it. One thing to avoid, do not use newspaper on a bone dry window with no cleaner at all, and do not use heavily inked glossy pages. Both of those can leave ink smudges instead of removing them. Also skip this method on tinted windows if your tint film is aftermarket and cheaply installed. Stick to a soft microfiber there just to be safe, but on regular glass this method is genuinely hard to beat. Once you try this, the difference is obvious immediately. Windows come out clear with none of that hazy film you get from paper towels. And because there is barely any lint left behind, they actually stay cleaner for longer between washes. People who switch to this method consistently say the same thing, that their windshield finally looks like it did when the car was new, with zero glare streaks under headlights or sunlight. And because a single newspaper cleans multiple windows, you're talking about pennies per cleaning instead of dollars, especially compared to buying fresh microfiber cloths or specialty spray refills every month. It is not a permanent fix. Glass still collects grime over time no matter what you use. But as a low-cost, high-performance method that beats paper towels in almost every test, it holds up. If this helped you, hit like so more people see it, and subscribe if you want more simple fixes that actually work instead of expensive products that just look nice on a shelf. Next time, I will show you another everyday item sitting in your kitchen right now that can replace something you are currently overpaying for. And here is one last quick tip before you go. Keep a folded sheet of newspaper in your glove box, so the next time your windshield gets hit with bug splatter on a road trip, you already have the exact tool to fix it for free in under a minute. Try it once and you will see why so many people quietly swear by this.